Hello everyone, today we are going to make a reusable foil to not contribute to the dumping of waste and to become a little bit more greener. So for this project you will need an old piece of bed sheet or an old part of tissue, scissors, beeswax nuggets and of course an oven. So for this first step you will have to cut out a shape out of the tissue. Place your shapes on a metal sheet. Put the beeswax nuggets on it. Heat the oven at 100 degrees Celsius. And ta-da! It's ready! Now you can use it and reuse it how many times you want.